Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Hold My Girl by George Ezra, which is a really cool song. For this song you need the capo on the 3rd fret. If you don't have a capo, not to worry, you can practice using the chords up here and then it'll just sound a little bit different. And yeah, so I'll break it down bit by bit. It's really cool. It's got some nice open chords and some, well, pretty simple rhythm patterns, so you should be able to get it down in no time at all. I can't talk today. And if you like what I do, please give it a like, comment. I'll try and reply to as many as possible. Check out my website, steveshawmusic.co.uk for private lessons and anything like that. And I'll go straight to a close-up now and show you how to play this song. Okay, so the intro sounds like this. So break it down, and you only need to use one finger at a time here, and then a C chord. So the first chord is going to be a G chord. You can play the full chord if you want, but you can just do it with one finger for this song and mute the A string. So you're going to play the big E string, so play it once, and then down, up, and then move to the 2nd fret. So the full chord would be a D with an F sharp. But when he's playing this, he doesn't actually play all those notes, okay? He's just doing this one. And same thing, so G. And then you go to a C chord, okay? So, and then it goes. So down, down, up, up, down, up. So the whole thing. Okay, and that is the intro. Okay, so into the verse. So it sounds like this. Okay, so it's an I've been waiting for you to come around and tell me the truth about everything. My girl, you got nothing to lose. So it's the same idea as the intro. So you start with a G, and you can play the full D with an F sharp on the bass if you want, or you can stick to what we did in the intro. So G, and then to a C. And that's exactly the same as the intro. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the rhythm pattern is going to stay the same, but the new chords for the second part is E minor, okay? So play the big E string, down, up. Then you go back to your D with an F sharp bass, and then to G. And then you're going to play the same rhythm as the C chords of down, down, up, down, up. So really slowly you go, and I've been waiting for you. Come around and tell me the truth. And it repeats this again. So down, down, up, down. Okay, and then the song goes into the pre-chorus, which sounds like this. So cold nights, Sunday mornings on your way out. Okay, so same rhythm pattern, and you go C, down, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, up. G. And then D with the F sharp bass, and you play this for 2 bars. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so really slowly the whole pre-chorus. So C, E minor, G, and then Okay, so the chorus sounds like this, and you're going to be using the same basic chords and the same rhythm, but you're going to be playing twice as long on each chord. So it starts on a G, D with F sharp, E minor, and C. And with the words it'll sound like this. So, and I've got time, got love, got confidence, I'll rise above. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Okay, so you're gonna do down, down. So play the bass note and down again. Up, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then to your D with F sharp, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then that repeats round again. And then it goes into the second verse. So you already know how to play the verses. Dun. And it repeats around the same, then back into a chorus. And then a bridge. So the bridge, okay, so the bridge, the last part of the song, is going to be E minor. Same rhythm as the chorus, C, G, with an F sharp. Okay, so the same pattern as before. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. D with your F sharp. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then it goes back into the chorus. I've got time, I've got love. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. It was really fun to teach. As always, if you have any questions, please drop me an email on the website. There's a form you can fill in if you want private lessons. All the info is on there as well. And hope you have a nice day. Catch you next time.